I am just so proud of my hair. It has gotten so long. It's pretty much dry. I let it air dry, which I found really helps with blow drying it. I also like to use like a little shea butter balm. So this is the Kinky Curly Seriously Smooth Prep and Protect. So what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit of this shea butter and I'll rub it together in my hands and I'll apply it to the ends. This really helps just protect my ends and then not be like all crispy, you know, sometimes when you blow dry your hair. And then we are going to be using the Protecting Heat Styling Spray from Tresemme. This is like the OG one. It has heat protectant up to 450 degrees. And this says it is a professional primer and anti-breakage. So I really like to saturate the hair with all of this. And then I'm going to take this Visco Pro brush. I have so many of these. I love these. And I like using this to detangle my hair, especially because I have Afro type 4 hair. Whatever little detangles I didn't get from like the unbrush, this really helps get it. So I'll just go brush it on the side going down and it feels so good on the scalp. And then when I get to the ends, I just pull the ends and then I just gently pull it down. This is, to me, I'm not even gonna lie, better than the Tangle tweezer. I love the Tangle tweezer, but this, I don't know if it's like the ergonomics of the brush, it just makes it so much easier. And I always get these brushes from TJ Maxx. If I remember, I'll show you guys at the end. I literally have so many of these. Like, I love this brush. You know, see how easy that was? And my hair is still wet, but that is the combination of this brush, shea butter balm, and then of course the heat protectant spray. Now we're gonna go in with the Dyson and this blow dryer attachment and blow dry my hair. here is my hair after being blow dried. I know I'm wearing a black top. I'm always wearing a black top when I am blow drying my hair. So my hair, you guys, is growing out so much. I don't know what I'm doing differently, but it is definitely growing. I'm so in love with it. It looks so good. But yeah, we're getting pretty long. So yeah, I don't know if I want to switch to weekly washes now or if I want to do bi-weekly. I've pretty much been doing monthly, and this is how long my hair has gotten. I'm just so like, I am just so proud of my hair. It has gotten so long. I'm taking really good care of it, kind of just by letting it be. So yeah, well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.